Hey guys, my name is Blue. I'm a coffee hacker here at the Bulletproof Cafe, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make our very own Bulletproof Ice Cream. So here at the Arts District, we have 4 different flavors of the Bulletproof Ice Cream. We have chocolate, vanilla, coffee, and a vegan berry. So today we're going to be making the chocolate Bulletproof Ice Cream, and in front of us we have a couple of ingredients that we are using to start the ice cream process. We're going to start off by pouring in all of our dry ingredients first. So let's start off with this xylitol. And then let's move on to this cacao powder. And let's add the oil next. Make sure we get all of that in there. Then we can add our butter. And now let's add all of our liquids. So let's do the eggs. Egg yolks. Coconut milk. And last but not least, the Brain Octane oil. All right, and that's ready to be blended. Now that the ice cream has been properly blended, the next step is to pour it into our ice cream machine. Well guys, this is it, the final product, really delicious and creamy chocolate Bulletproof ice cream. Thank you so much for spending time with us here at the Arts District location. And don't forget, next time you're in the neighborhood, stop by and pick yourself up a scoop.